So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix and delete signature keep coming back in your Outlook. So guys, if a deleted email signature keep coming back in your Microsoft Outlook, it is usually happen because of the signature sync issue. To fix this issue, first of all we delete the signature from your Outlook web. To this, first of all you go to your settings. In the settings section guys, go to the option of signature. Here you select, and if you find any signature, like I'm adding any random signature, okay, here I'm just entered and save it. Okay, like this is my signature, so you simply click on this dustbin icon and delete it. Okay, another thing is guys, you delete signature file from the Windows. So guys, Outlook stores signature locally in the Windows. So you close your Outlook, press Windows R and type app data slash Microsoft and slash signature and press enter and delete the signature. Another thing is guys, you try to close your application and restart your computer. Sometime it store your data in your caches, so by refreshing it your caches will delete and it not showing. Okay, and if you are doing web Outlook, for this open your account, open your browser. Okay, so mostly I'm using the Brave. Okay, after open the Brave and the Chrome browser, whatever that you are use for clearing the caches, first you choose your account, then guys go to the option of these three dotted. After that go to the option of setting. In the setting section guys, go to the option of, here you see the option of history. Okay, you also choose from here, so just click history, then click on the history section, and guys here you see the option of delete browsing data. After that select all of these and delete the data. It also help you to refresh your cookies and caches. Okay, so guys, if the issue still persists, so make sure that you are not using any organization mail, because some of the organization mail have default some signatures, so make sure it. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.